Layers are one of the most important things that everyone who wants to work with Photoshop should understand. Whether you want to be a professional or just dabble, it's imperative to know what happens when we work with layers and how they work. Layers allow us to be flexible in our work, and they work on the principle of overlaying the photo without blending together. The first thing you'll notice is that each layer has on its left side an eye symbol, indicating whether the layer is active or not, i.e., whether the layer is visible or hidden. Being invisible does not mean that it isn't there. It's simply inactive. The biggest advantage of a layer-based software approach, like Photoshop's, is that you can work on individual parts independently from one another without worrying about what will happen to the rest of the image. If I decide that I want to make changes to one photo, when working in different layers, this effect will not touch the other layers. This is very convenient when I want to keep my job clean and tidy.